music toys down here so that she can have access to those really easily. We put your scarves, and I know they love to use these, so make sure those were still out. We put the music materials that might not be so great for the baby up on the top shelf.
So half the day I'm down here on the floor with my babies.
You have the little guy that just started
Crawling,
and the infant.
and my infant. So we're down here pretty much all day.
And so how is your toddler area or infant area working for you?
Well, it's kind of growing right now as she's growing.
We'll really be keeping her in mind specifically and trying to see what we can do to make everything down low accessible and safe for her, and get some type of setup so that the older children aren't challenged by her and the younger ones.
And then over here we have on the bottom the most simple fine motor materials for the young toddler who's crawling now to access, and above it is a little bit more difficult stuff for the preschoolers. Especially for the age group of infant and toddlers, fine motor is very important because it helps them develop their skills with their use of hands or pushing, also flipping, for example.
We added some new labels to the individual bins, and there's like several different types of material in each one, because I know that's how you had it before. And that's about it for the infant toddler. Also, we moved your cozy area over here so we could separate the cribs. They're all 36 inches apart. So I think we put anything chokeable in the steam area, and everything else should be okay for the infant and for the toddlers and infants to get access to. So that might mean, being creative about which materials we put into each area. I'm going to put the paper clips in this container, and then I'm going to glue the lid on it so that nobody can get it open. Toddler proof.
So this is how we test if things can be choking hazards or not. This, you just put it in here, and if it sticks out, that means that it can't go into a toddler's mouth all the way and that they cannot choke on it. And things like marker caps that fit all the way in are choking hazards and should not be in a toddler classroom.